How to use the 3D viewer, key principles and basic controls. Select the appropriate product group and application. Choose the detail that you wish to see from the Details ribbon. Search for details with the search bar. You can search for a detail ID directly or by using keywords like soffit. The Details ribbon will only show details that are relevant to the search. Hold left mouse button and drag to rotate the view. Hold middle mouse button and drag to pan the view. You can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel. Click Change Projection to toggle perspective and orthographic views. Click on any face of the view cube to view that face. This works very well when used with orthographic projection. Clicking Change Projection again toggles back to perspective view. To reset the camera position, click on Reset Camera. Use the Clip Plane tool to add a clip plane to any surface. You can add up to 3 clip planes to the scene. Combine clip planes to tailor the view to see something specific. Move the clip planes by dragging their icons. Click on each icon and press Delete on your keyboard to remove them. Use the Set Rotation Center Point tool to rotate around a specific point. Select the tool and click anywhere in the model to rotate around that point. Use the Text Markup tool to add custom markups. You can type in anything you like into the markup field. Drag the markup to move it around. The markup will follow the object you clicked on. Highlight the markup and press Delete to remove it. Clicking on any object will highlight its object label. Objects can also be highlighted from the sidebar. Right-click an object to set its visibility state between visible, translucent, and hidden. Alternatively, objects can be rendered from the Tools tab. Available settings are solid, translucent, and outline. Use the Assembly slider to explode or assemble the detail. Press Play/Pause to play through the assembly sequence. The Sequence slider allows you to play the sequence manually, so you can investigate specific parts of the sequence. The range number sets the time between each object, so setting it to 5 means one object will be added every 5 seconds. That way you can slow down or speed up the sequence as needed. When the sequence bar is full, the detail will be fully constructed. Click Enable from the Colors tab to apply colors. Choose a color, then click on any object to apply that color. Click on another color to apply the new color. When you are done, uncheck Enable to close the color palette. To reset the colors, click on the Reset Model Properties button. For additional help and support, please contact your Morin representative.